Does everything feel overwhelming? Even small things? You look at what you need to do, and it just feels like too much. So you avoid it? If that sounds familiar, this could be ADHD. This isn't about being lazy. It's about how your brain processes tasks. When something feels too big, unclear, or unstructured, your brain treats it like a threat. So instead of starting, you shut down. Do you feel this too? That's why even simple things can feel impossible to begin. Try this, make the task smaller. Not in your head, physically break it down. Instead of clean the room, start with pick up 3 things. Instead of do the work, start with open the document you don't need to finish. You just need to reduce the overwhelm enough to begin. If this helped you understand your brain, follow for more ADHD-friendly strategies. This is based on personal experience and general ADHD information, not medical advice.